Good morning, learners. This is Sir Brian, your math teacher. And today, we are going to learn about algebraic equation. And for our objectives, give the translation for real-life verbal equation into letters or symbols and vice versa. And represent quantities in real-life situation using algebraic equations. To start, let us have a drill. Now, let us identify the number that should be in the place of the question mark to make the mathematical statement correct. Number 1, question mark, plus 5 equals 22. Timer starts now. The answer is 17. Number 2, 18 equals question mark minus 12. The answer is 30. Number 3, 17 plus 2 equals question mark. The answer is 19. Number 4, 5 times question mark equals 30. The answer is 6. Number 5, 15 divided by question mark equals 5. The answer is 3. Good job! Now let us see if you can still remember our past lesson. Let us translate the following mathematical phrases into algebraic expressions. Number 1, twice x decrease by 12. Timer starts now. The answer is 2x minus 12. Number 2, the sum of a number and 9 divided by 3. The answer is x plus 9 divided by 3. Number 3, 5 times a number reduced by 6. The answer is 5x minus 6. This time, we're going to translate the following algebraic expression into mathematical phrases. X plus 3 divided by 2. The answer is a number increased by 3 divided by 2. And last, 3x minus 20. The answer is 3 times a number decreased by 20. Okay, this time we're going to read word problem shown on our screen. Maricel buys 5-star apples for 5 pesos each and 3 guyabanos for 32 pesos and 50 centavos each. She gives the cashier a 200 peso bill. Write an expression for the amount of fruits she buys and an equation for the change the cashier should give to her. Let us use variables to represent the price of each fruit. Let M be the price of each star apple, which is 5 pesos. Let letter N be the price of each guyabano, which is 32 pesos and 50 centavos. And letter P be the amount of change. Now, we're going to translate the prices. 5-star apples for 5 pesos each for our 5M. Plus, we're going to use symbol for addition. 3 guyabanos for 32 pesos and 50 centavos each for our 3N. For our algebraic expression, 5M plus 3N, this represents the total cost of 5-star apples for 5 pesos each and 3 guyabanos for 32 pesos and 50 centavos each. 200 minus total cost of the fruits is the amount of change. In other words, we have 200 minus symbol for subtraction, 5M plus 3N for the total cost of the fruits equals P for the amount of change. And for our algebraic equation, we have 200 minus, open close parentheses, 5M plus 3N equals P. The amount of 5M plus 3N when subtracted from 200 pesos bill will result to the amount of change, P. Always remember the term use. An equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign, which shows the two expressions on either side is equal. The symbol equal is read equals. And separate an equation into two parts, the left member and the right member. Example, in the equation 3x plus 5 equals 20. The left member is 3x plus 5 and the right member is 20. Common words translated as equal sign. We have equal or equals, is equal to, result is, yields. Let us answer activity number 1. And for our direction, translate the following into an algebraic equation. Note, you can use any letter to represent a number. Number 1. The sum of a number and 12 is 5. The answer, a plus 5 equals 12. Number 2. Twice a number decreased by 6 is equal to 16. The answer is 2m minus 6 equals 16. And last, number 3. If 9 is added to the difference of a number and 19, the sum is 90. The answer is B minus 19 plus 9 equals 90. Keep in mind, what is algebraic equation? Algebraic equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign, which shows that two expressions on either side are equal. And for our activity number 2, let us translate the problem into algebraic equation. Mr. and Mrs. Lopez own a laundry shop. They had 134 customers this week, 18 fewer than last week. What is the answer? The answer is, for our algebraic equation, C minus 18 equals 134. I know you are now ready to answer our 4-item test. And for our direction, translate each sentence into algebraic equation. I will give you 5 minutes to answer. Then, check your own work. Just be honest. After that, you can PM me your scores. For number 1, a number increased by 4 is 12. Number 2, a number decreased by 9 is equal to 11. Translate each algebraic equation into word. Number 3, 3k plus 10 equals 34. Number 4, 2n minus 13 equals 9. And for the answer, you can check your work. For our assignment, Samantha is Y years old now. Write an algebraic equation for Samantha's age if her age 5 years from now is 17. Thank you. Stay at home and be safe.